Addressing privacy and security concerns in data handling. Importance of protecting sensitive data, regulatory compliance, adhering to data privacy laws and regulations is essential to avoid hefty fines and legal consequences. Reputation and trust. Data breaches can severely damage an organization's reputation and erode customer trust. Financial and operational risks. Unauthorized access to sensitive data can lead to financial losses, disruptions, and operational challenges. Common privacy and security risks, unauthorized access, weak access controls, and lack of user authentication can lead to data breaches. Insider threats, malicious or negligent actions by employees can expose sensitive information. Phishing and social engineering, deceptive tactics to trick users into revealing sensitive data or login credentials. Unsecured data storage and transmission, improper handling of data, such as lack of encryption, can make it vulnerable. Mitigating privacy and security risks, access controls, implement robust user authentication and access management policies, encryption and secure protocols, protect data in transit and at rest with strong encryption techniques, employee training and awareness, educate staff on data privacy best practices and security protocols. Conclusion and best practices, regular risk assessments, proactively identify and address evolving privacy and security threats, incident response planning, develop a comprehensive plan to effectively manage data breaches and incidents, continuous monitoring and improvement, regularly review and update security measures to maintain robust data protection.